Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can set up the email notification for your Shopify store using the Kbite app. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So this Kbite app is a Shopify powerful app which are used to help the merchants to notify the customers when the out of stock products are back in available. So, like I said, I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. You can just search for the app from the App Store and you can easily find this app here. Now, this is their installation page. So, this may contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And you can see their pricing plans also here. So, they provide some free plans. Oh, I recommend you to start with their free plan. And if everything is okay and if these fits for your store, then you can just upgrade to their paid plans. Now, there shows some reviews from different merchants. You can just go through this. And if everything is okay, you can just click on install button. Make sure that you are logged into the admin panel first, then you can just hit on the install button. Now this app will be automatically installed to your store. Now you can see the apps reflecting here in the left hand side of your admin panel, and you can just click on the app to expand its dashboards. Now you have to go to the automation area. Now you can just see the backend stock email. We have to turn it on so that the customers will be receiving the automated email messages when the out of stock products are becomes available. And you can also customize the automation like this with the templates and subjects. You can have the preview of the designed ones here. So now it shows like this, and you can change the uh, format and everything if you want to have this to be edited, you can just select and you can just change the font size and bold, italic, and the color. Everything you can just customize for here. Even the buy now button also you can customize over here. Let's go with the same template for now. And if you want to have this to be notified by SMS, you can just go to the SMS and you can just turn it on. And similarly, there is some automation settings available here. You can just have it and you can just save as per your wish. So this is a very simple setting. So just I recommend you to try this today itself from your online store. If this video is helpful, you can just share to your friends and also like and comment. Thanks for watching.